Hey, my name is Howard. Originally from Canada, lived in 25 years in the US and now very happily living in Italy. I picked Cosmedica because of the reputation that I was able to ascertain online. Dr. Acar is clearly one of the top people in the field, and this clinic, I will say, is phenomenal. I've been to top hospitals and other institutions in the US, and this place is immaculate, the very top technology. The team are amazing, and overall the experience is really quite spectacular. I feel great today. I'm going to be heading back tomorrow morning to Italy, and I just feel fantastic. I think this is a great step for people looking to make their lives different and change for the better, and I couldn't be happier. So check it out. Arrivederci. Thanks. Ciao.